Hi, hello, and welcome to Positivity with Crochet. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple ear saver which you can attach to the mask. To make this, you need some yarn. I have taken this yarn, which is a 4-ply yarn, and you also need a crochet hook. I've taken 3.5 mm hook. You need 2 buttons, needle, and a pair of scissors. Let's begin with a slip knot. Now 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, and continue the same until you have 20 chains. You can take as many chains as you want based on the length, but make sure to take in multiples of 2. Once you have 20 chains, from the second chain of the hook, work single crochet. So go to the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Go to the next, work 1 single crochet. And we will repeat the same throughout the row. Now I am at the end of this row. Now chain 1, flip the work. Now in the very first chain, work 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch, work a bean stitch. So insert the hook directly into the next stitch, pull through. Now yarn over, insert the hook in the same space, pull through, yarn over and pull through. Now we have got 6 loops on our hook, so yarn over, pull through all 6 and chain 1. Now we will repeat the bean stitch. So skip 1 stitch, go to the next stitch, insert the hook directly, pull through. Now yarn over, go in the same space, pull through, again yarn over, go inside and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops and chain 1. Now skip the next chain and go to the next and repeat the bean stitch. Pull through all 6 loops, chain 1. Now you will repeat the same throughout the row. Now I am at the end of this row. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bean stitches. Now in the last chain space, we will work 1 single crochet. Now chain 1, flip the work, and in the very first space here, work 1 single crochet. Now in between the bean stitches there are 2 spaces. One is to your right and to your left side. Now we will work to your left side space. So here we will work 1 bean stitch. Now go to the next space that is in between 2 bean stitches. Work in the left side space, 1 bean stitch. Go to the next space, again work to in the left side space. Again 1 bean stitch. And we are going to repeat the same throughout the row. Now I have reached till the end of the row. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bean stitches. After this, in the last chain here, work 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and flip the work. Now in the very first space, work 1 single crochet. Go to the next space, that is in between the bean stitches. There are 2 spaces. So work 1 single crochet in the right space and 1 single crochet in the left space. So in between the bean stitches you will have 2 single crochet. So go to the next space, work 1 single crochet in the right space and 1 more single crochet in the left space, and repeat the same till the end of the row. Now I have reached till the end of the row. Now in the last chain, work 1 single crochet. Now chain 1, pull the yarn tight and cut the yarn off. And you can weave in these ends using the needle. Now you can attach these buttons to the right and left hand side, to both the ends. You can use the needle to attach these buttons. Make sure you take the same color thread or yarn piece. You can take this yarn piece also. If you don't have the same thread, you can take it like this and use it. Now I have attached these buttons using the needle, and by the end of the work it looks like this. So if you like this video, please do like my video and mention it in the comments box below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider subscribing my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching.